Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well and enjoying your online classes also. Welcome to your online class and this is your general knowledge subject. Today in this video, I'll cover the topic sporting families. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start. Read the question first. Complete this table by naming one person in the families of these sports persons who is also an acclaimed sports person in his or her own right. Also mention the sport each individual is well known for. Okay, so as you can see here that 4 columns are given here. So basically what you have to do is, आप देख रहे हैं 4 कॉलम दिए हैं. पहले कॉलम में स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन के नाम लिखे हैं. दूसरे कॉलम में आपको ये लिखना है कि ये जो स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन है वो कौन सा स्पोर्ट खेलते हैं. एंड थर्ड कॉलम में उन्हीं की फैमिली मेम्बर्स से किसी का नाम लिखना है जो कि खुद कुछ ना कोई और गेम या वही गेम खेलते हैं. क्लियर? सो इन दिस वे यू हैव टू फिल 3 columns. So let's start. First one is Steve Waugh. He is associated with sport cricket. In third column I have written the name of Mark Waugh and he is also associated with the sport cricket. Now Steve Waugh, he is a former Australian international cricketer and twin brother of cricketer Mark Waugh. So they both are brothers and they both are associated with the sport cricket. Clear? Second one is Ramesh Krishnan. He is associated with the sport tennis. In third column I have written the name of Ramanathan Krishnan and he is also associated with the sport tennis. Now about Ramesh Krishnan. He is a tennis coach and former professional tennis player from India. He is the son of Ramanathan Krishnan and Ramanathan Krishnan was one of the world's leading tennis player in the 1960s. Ramesh emulated an achievement of his father's by winning the Wimbledon junior title in 1979. He also won the French Open junior title that year. Okay, so Ramesh Krishnan is the son of Ramanathan Krishnan and they both are associated with the sport tennis. Clear? Now third one, Leander Paes. He is associated with the sport tennis. Now in third column I have written the name of VC Paes and he is associated with the sport hockey. Now about Leander Paes. He is an Indian professional tennis player who is also considered as one of the greatest player with the record of most doubles wins in the Davis Cup. He has won 8 doubles and 10 mixed doubles Grand Slam titles. And about VC Paes, he is a former Indian hockey midfielder and represented India team in the 1972 Munich Olympics that won the bronze medal. He is the father of India's tennis player Leander Paes, which means Leander Paes is the son of VC Paes. So Leander Paes is associated with the sport tennis and VC Paes is associated with the sport hockey. Clear? Now next one, Venus Williams. She is associated with sport tennis and in third column I have written the name of Serena Williams and she is also associated with the sport tennis. They both are sisters. Okay, the Williams sisters are 2 professional American tennis players. Between the year 2000 to 2016, almost 17 years span, they both collectively won 12 Wimbledon single titles, in which Venus won 5 and Serena won 7 titles. Okay. Now next, Irfan Pathan. He is associated with the sport cricket. In third column I have written the name of Yusuf Pathan and he is also associated with the sport cricket. They both are brothers and they both are associated with the sport cricket. Okay, Yusuf is the older half brother of all-rounder Irfan Pathan. Irfan Pathan is an Indian former cricketer who played all formats of the game. He was a bowling all-rounder, and his brother Yusuf is also an Indian international cricketer, and he's a right-handed batsman and a right-arm off-break bowler. Now next, 6-1, Muhammad Ali. He is associated with the sport boxing, and in the third column I have written the name of Laila Ali, and she is also associated with the sport boxing. Okay, so Laila Ali is a former professional boxer who competed from 1999 to 2007. She is the daughter of Muhammad Ali. It means Muhammad Ali is the father of Laila Ali, and they both are associated with the same sport, that is boxing. Clear? Now next, 7th one, Lala Amarnath. He is associated with the sport cricket. In the third column I have written only the name of one person, that is Mohinder Amarnath, but here you can write the name of three persons, that is Mohinder Amarnath, Surinder Amarnath and Rajendra Amarnath, and they all are associated with the same sport, that is cricket. Okay, Lala Amarnath was the first Indian batsman to score a test century. Surinder and Mohinder also represented India at test level, and another brother Rajendra played first class cricket from 1971 to 1987, mostly for the team Haryana. Okay, Lala Amarnath is the father of Mohinder Amarnath, Surendra Amarnath and Rajendra Amarnath, and they all are associated with the same sport, that is cricket. Okay, next one is Peyton Manning. He is associated with the sport American football, and Eli Manning is also associated with the same sport, American football. Okay, Peyton Manning is an American former professional football quarterback who played in the National Football League for 18 seasons, and Eli is the younger brother of Peyton Manning, and also a former American football quarterback who played his entire 16-year career for the New York Giants of the National Football League. Clear? They both are brothers. Now 9th one, Sunil Gavaskar. He is associated with the sport cricket, and in third column I have written the name of his son Rohan Gavaskar, and he is associated with the same sport, that is cricket. Okay, so about Sunil Gavaskar, he is a former Indian international cricketer who played from the early 1970s to the late 1980s for the Bombay cricket team and Indian national team. Rohan Gavaskar is the son of Sunil Gavaskar and also a former Indian cricketer. He played in 11 one-day internationals and was a middle-order left-handed batsman and an occasional slow left-arm orthodox bowler. Clear? Now the last one, Milkha Singh. He is associated with the sport athletics, and in the third column I have written the name of his son Jeev Milkha Singh, and he is associated with the sport golf. Okay, so about Milkha Singh, he is an Indian former track and field sprinter. He was the only Indian athlete to win an individual athletics gold medal at a Commonwealth Games. Jeev Milkha Singh is a son of Milkha Singh, and he is an Indian professional golfer who became the first player from India to join the European Tour in 1988. He has won 4 events on the European Tour and became the most successful Indian on that tour. Okay, so here I have completed this topic, sporting families. Hope you have understood. Now I'll meet you in the next video with a new topic. Till then, goodbye, stay safe, stay tuned and stay healthy.